Hi and welcome to this video on how to customize your Lightroom Classic. First thing I'm going to look at, customize your identity plate, and that's the top left corner. So I'm just going to go up to Lightroom Classic and identity plate setup, and you'll see here you've got a drop down menu and you've got three different options. I'm just going to go to personalize, and it's going to give you options to you can put in whatever you want here, so you could put your name, whatever you want up there. I'm just going to put Lightroom. You can change the fonts. You can make it bold if you want. You can change the size of the text, and you can change the color. You can also customize the library, develop the module pickers here. So I might just have, once it's selected, I'll have it blue, and the other ones, when they're not selected, I might just have them kind of aqua. When I customize my user interface, I normally deselect the book, slideshow, print, and web. I never use these. I only really use the library, develop, and map. So you can deselect these by just clicking up here and deselecting the ones you don't want. So that's the end of this quick video. Just wanted to show you how you can quickly customize your Lightroom.